The jury learned about what he searched for online, and his defense team started to push back on evidence federal prosecutors have been laying out. He is charged with kidnapping and killing U of I scholar Yingying Zhang 2 years ago. WCIA 3's Aaron Eads has more from Peoria on what the courtroom was shown.
The jury saw what an FBI forensic expert testified they found after seizing Christensen's electronics. In short, bondage porn, research on serial killers, and a planned abduction of another user on a social media network for people with sexual fetishes. Christensen responded to another user's post there about a rape and abduction fantasy. The two talked about how they would act it out. Christensen said he'd bind the user, put them in a duffel bag in his car, and take them to a hotel. However, his defense team was quick to point out he also discussed establishing boundaries for the encounter and having the user sign a consent form beforehand. The defense also pressed the forensic expert on what they were searching for and what they chose to present as meaningful evidence, saying the vast majority of porn they found on Christensen's devices was not violent. His team also had another FBI agent on the witness stand reestablish that they have no evidence corroborating Christensen's recorded claim that he killed 12 other people. A state police crime scene investigator testified, and we were shown pictures of the inside of Christensen's apartment. We saw 3 stains on his mattress, a table full of cleaning supplies, bondage straps, and a baseball bat tested for blood. Now back to the forensic expert for a second. They also showed selected text messages Christensen and his girlfriend exchanged the day Zhang was abducted. He texted his girlfriend, quote, "You don't do the anything casual thing, from breathing to fine dining to murder." During a cross-examination, Assistant Public Defender Elizabeth Pollock asked the forensic expert if he was aware of SpongeBob SquarePants, because fine dining and breathing is a phrase used in one episode on the show. But that was about SpongeBob being a waiter. Murder had nothing to do with it.
That was Aaron Eads reporting for us tonight. That wasn't all that happened in Peoria today. There was more testimony from law enforcement, and Christensen's defense team argued the U of I should be held in contempt of court. Details on that can be found on our WCIA 3 news app.